Radio City Apartments is here on 49th Street. So all you need to do if you want to go to Times Square, you're one block down there, or towards the Rockefeller Center. We're 2 blocks there near the Christmas tree. So it's a fantastic place to stay. So welcome to the Radio City Apartments. As you can see, there's an accessible area there for disabled to get up to the steps. So we're here on 49th Street and the lobby is spectacular. Beautiful paintings, very, very friendly staff to meet you on arrival, and you will certainly enjoy your stay here at the Radio City Apartments. To get to your rooms, you can either climb the stairs, or they do have 2 lifts available to get you to all floors. And the reception is manned 24 hours, and each time you come in you just need to present your key. So the security is really, really good here at the Radio City Apartments. They have lots of information available for you to make sure that you have a wonderful stay here in New York City. And again, you can see here there's a really good disabled lift to get anyone up the steps there from 49th Street. Umbrellas are provided if it's a rainy day in New York. So if you fancy a relax, come and chill down here in the reception area. They've got beautiful chairs, beautiful paintings, and the door at the back there leads out to Pasta Lovers, which is a fabulous restaurant next door to the Radio City Apartments. And again, as you can see, the lobby area is absolutely stunning. You're going to so much enjoy your stay here at Radio City Apartments. So as we head to the room, as you can see, everywhere is immaculate at the Radio City Apartments. Okay, we are back in New York City, and this is May 2023, and just thought I'd do a bit of an update review for the Radio City Apartments here on 49th Street in Manhattan. So we've chosen a smaller room this year with no cooking facilities, and this is just a standard 2 double bedded room, but it's very, very clean, as what you always expect from Radio City, and a little bit smaller, but still plenty of room. So we've got room up here to hang all your clothes, got extra blankets, and plenty of drawer space still here, and a good sort of working area. Smaller TV, the beds are really, really comfy. In this room you've got a little fridge and a freezer, microwave, and there's cups and saucers there if you need them. There is no safe in this room, but as you can see it's quite adequate enough, and we've got the air conditioning there. And there are sockets there where you can plug your phone in, and you've got the clock radios, and the air conditioner unit, which works really well. All very, very happy with staying again here at the Radio City Apartments here in New York, and again it's a fantastic place to stay. You're a block from Times Square. Okay, so Radio City Apartments, how close to Times Square? There you go guys, it is that close to Times Square. 1 block, best location. Block this way to 6th Avenue, 2 blocks, and you're towards the Radio City area. So we're looking right at the Radio City Apartments now, and how close is it to 6th Avenue? Let's have a look. Well, I'm currently standing on 6th Avenue.
And here you go. That's how close you are to 6th Avenue. Amazing location.
If you're here in December, then obviously it'll be the Christmas tree. Fabulous location, and it certainly is home away from home. And the bathroom is looking pretty good. So we've got the sink, hairdryer, and the shower. Corridors as per usual, super clean, and the exits are clearly marked. It's also a very unique building from outside, and it looks awesome. So right outside is what's called Pasta Lovers, which is a restaurant. It's a really good restaurant. Next door is Radio City Pizza. And we've just been tonight to Teriyaki R Us. That was really good. And pretty close by you've got Curry India, which is the oldest Indian restaurant in the USA. So you do have plenty of choice when it comes to eat. Again, at the end of that block to the left there, Times Square.
So if you're lucky to be in the penthouse, this will be the steps to the penthouse. This is right at the very top of the Radio City apartments.
So every time we come to New York, we stay at the Radio City apartments here on 49th Street, and I'm going to show you around. So we've chosen a studio room with a little kitchenette, so let's have a look. You've got a kettle, we've got a toaster, you've got a microwave, and you've got a fridge, plenty of utensils, knives and forks, a little table there for dining. So we've got two beds. Plenty of drawer space. Decent sized TV. We've got an iron and ironing board. We've got a closet space there. Beautiful pictures of New York. So you've got a hairdryer, nice fluffy white towels, secret compartment behind the mirror, it's got all your utensils, and the shower area. Air conditioning. So after a relaxing and enjoyable night here at the Radio City Apartments, let's head out into New York City and explore the many attractions that this amazing city has to offer. The New York City subway station at 49th Street will get you to any of the places that you want to visit within New York. So after a few days in Niagara Falls, we return back to our favourite hotel here in New York City, the Radio City Apartments, and this time let's have a look at a studio double beds. So we're back in New York City, and this has been an upgrade for us. So we did just book a normal studio with single beds. We've actually been upgraded to double beds. Let's show you around. So compared to the last room, this one's absolutely huge. So we've got two double beds, table. We've got a kitchenette, so we've got a microwave, fridge, freezer, plenty of utensils, tea, coffee making. We've got a kettle and oven, so we've got plenty of drawer space. TV, we've got an iron board, iron. And now for the bathroom. So once again, very clean rooms, plenty of space. And I believe they do 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom apartments, and there's also a penthouse suite. So make sure you choose the Radio City Apartments next time you come to New York City. So I hope you've enjoyed this review of the fabulous Radio City Apartments on 49th Street in New York City. If you have enjoyed, drop me some comments, give me a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Again, if you want to book the Radio City Apartments, make sure you book direct with them. You will get the best deals, and just give them a mention that you actually saw this property on our channel. Have a great stay in New York, and just at the end here, have a look at the other rooms that may be of interest to you. Thanks again, have a great day.